Ako lang ba? Or nakakasuka nung nagsasalita siya? Si Amy, nilaglag ang sariling kapatid at kaanak at kung ano-anong pasabog na paratang ang sinabi sa Iglesia ni Cristo Rally. What should have been a prayer gathering for truth and accountability became a palengke moment filled with familial quarrel fit for a soap opera. Lagay natin ang konteksto ng melodramatic pero binasang speech ni Amy. Since patapos na ang Iglesia Rally and it looked like they have not convinced the Filipino people to do a regime change and install Sara, they tried this one last desperate attempt. A typical Duterte trip to once again tag somebody as a drug addict with the hope that people will now consider him automatically as a villain. But we, the citizens, are not fooled. Lumang tugtugin na ang script na tag somebody sa drugs even without convincing proof and then automatically patayin na sila or tanggalin na sa poder. They did that to thousands of Filipinos, to lawyers, to judges, to Laila de Lima, and to various members of the opposition. We want real proof and that such proof should undergo the proper process. Pero hindi lang talaga magaling na artista si Amy. Ako lang ba? Or nakakasuka nung nagsasalita siya? Trinaydor niya ang sariling kapatid at pamilya at she sounded so cheap and desperate. Parang namamatay na sa inggit at galit sa pamilya ng kapatid niya dahil hindi siya binibigyan ng poder at outside the kulambu siya habang sinusubukan niya maging tunog sincero. Pero fake, kagaya ng maraming bagay kay Amy, peke. Kesyo umuwi na raw sila ni Bongbong. Drama na naman. Ginagawa nilang uto-uto ang mamamayang Pilipino and they want us to be hooked in their family telenovela affair. Nakakasawa na. Marcos drama, Duterte drama. Tinanggal si Bersamin only to be replaced by another dynasty. Ralph Recto na pinakyaw na ng pamilya ang maraming posisyon sa gobyerno. Nawala si Romualdez only to be once again replaced by Boji D. Another byproduct of a dynasty. Our Senate is a family reunion of the Villars, the Tulfos, the Estradas, the Cayetanos. Hanggang kailan tayo didiktahan ng drama ng iilang pamilya? Ang command ng Constitution sa Article 2, Section 26 is to prohibit political dynasties as defined by law. Ang realidad, even after close to 40 years, we are stuck with so many family drama and the only winner here is their families. Ang tunay na talo, taong bayan na naman. Drama ng mga Marcos, drama ng mga Duterte, drama ng iilang pamilya. Agyamanak. Attorney Dino De Leon po, and this is Bite Size Batas.